Hare Krishna. In a minister's office, the PA is meeting the minister and he is asking about, sir, that the other country's finance minister had come. What did he talk? What did what did you talk to him when you went to his place? First, then you tell about what he told here. Then the minister said, when I went, I found him to be very, very rich. Rich bungalow, riches, cars. Then I asked him, what is the secret of your riches? Let me also learn from you. Then the minister said, he didn't say anything. He took him in the car and went and showed different projects. Everywhere he said 10%. Each project he said 10%. There was one river, there was a bridge, he said 10%. Then this minister understood. Okay, he is a commission man. Okay. Now, that minister, when he came here, as this PA was asking, he was also surprised at the rich atmosphere, rich life this minister was living. Then he said, let me take you to a project. He took him to a river, famous river, and the minister could not understand, foreign minister, what for he has taken him here. There was, did you see any bridge? Our minister, local minister asked. He said, no. Then the minister said, 100%. He has taken the full money himself without constructing the bridge at all. The project is over. Now, this sort of exploiting of the resources of the people is there in the sloka also. Let us see what Krishna is saying and how this is connected. The sloka is 7th chapter, 5th sloka.
अपरेयम् इतस्त्वन्यां प्रकृतिं विद्धि मे परां जीवभूतां महाबाहो ययेदं धार्यते जगत्.
Krishna is continuing to explain to Arjuna about himself and his energies. He says, oh mighty armed Arjuna, apart from this inferior nature about which I have been explaining to you, like water, air, all these things are my energies, there is one superior energy of mine also. What are that? What are they? The living beings, all the living beings, all species. And what are they doing? They are exploiting the resources of the material nature, what Mother Earth is providing them. Now the question will come, what Krishna is saying, is it practical? Our standard doubt. As usual, let me reply with an example. Just give any resource, say money, to anyone and then say, no questions asked, you can spend. And see his behavior. On the other hand, if Krishna says, from tomorrow, all these resources are chargeable, like using an AC or using a PC or anything, any project, any item. And then see how the man behaves. When it is free electricity, it doesn't switch off any bulb or fan. When it is chargeable, he switches off even the light, smallest light. So it is very much practical. Now, the qualities of Krishna are so great, so many. There are some very special qualities. Now, Krishna is so generous. He never thought, even the thought did not come in his mind of charging for our oxygen, charging for the water, charging for the fire. You have to use fire for cooking. Otherwise, if there is no fire, no cooking, no food to anybody, proper food. If you are charged on the utilization basis only, not general, we all would be paying and we will be working to pay the charges only. We cannot live anything else, we cannot do any other thing in life. So, that is the greatness of Krishna. Hare Krishna.